Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a board and placing your first items. Tap plus and pick a template or blank to set intent. Templates speed work while blank offers flexibility. Add a background color or grid so alignment is easier later. Drag in an image, PDF, or sticky note immediately to anchor the layout. Once done, name the board and make sure iCloud Sync is enabled so your changes appear on iPhone, iPad, and Mac without manual transfer. Next, focus on arranging and refining content so it communicates clearly. Select multiple items to move, resize, or rotate together. This keeps spacing consistent. Use frames or stacks to group related elements. Grouping preserves relationships when you shuffle the board. Annotate directly with Apple Pencil for fast sketches, or use the text tool for precise labels. Adjust font size, color, and alignment to create hierarchy. As you work, zoom in to edit details, and zoom out to confirm the overall composition. Finish by sharing and polishing the board so others can act on it. Invite collaborators with edit or view rights and send a link. Explain any structure so they land in the right spot. Use full screen presentation or let viewers follow your view to guide a walkthrough. Export as PDF or image when you need a static deliverable. If content seems missing, pause and check layer order, hidden selections, and iCloud Sync. Most issues are local visibility or sync delays, so refresh and reopen to resolve them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.